Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorials on Microsoft Excel. Previously, we discussed on Microsoft Word and the Microsoft PowerPoint, and we talked about their components and we did some practical aspect of it. It will be the same thing we'll do on Microsoft Excel. My name is Daniel Obeyi, and I welcome you to today's tutorials on Microsoft Excel. We are going to make use of an instructional material on Microsoft Excel 2013 to explain certain concepts or components in this Microsoft Excel. So this particular Excel we are looking at is a 2007 version, which is different from the version is different from that of the 2013 instructional material we are going to use, but then they have many things in common. So I want you to understand certain key features that makes them common. Okay, so this is the instructional material we are going to use. So in this instructional material, as you can see, the Microsoft Excel 2013, it's a spreadsheet program that is used to manage, analyze and present data. It is not only 2013, even the 2007, anything Microsoft Excel spreadsheet is used to manage, analyze and present data. Okay, you use it to also create or manipulate large amount of data, perform complex calculations, create professional looking chart, and even enhance the appearance of a worksheet and more. Okay, so let's see how the 2013 Excel looks like, how when you want to open it, how to open it. Okay, so here when you want to open it, you just go, you click the start button, you click all programs, click Microsoft Office 2013, then you click Excel. The start screen appears. Okay, in the right pane you click blank workbook. As you can see, when it opens like this, you click this is a blank workbook, then your the windows for your spreadsheet opens. Okay, but then let's look at this other version, the 2007. Okay, as you can see, this is to book 1 Microsoft Excel. This is the title bar. Okay, when I open a new Excel, you will see what will happen. Okay, so let's go to this place. This is the file. When I click this, I come to the blank workbook, I click it, I click create. Are you seeing it's no more book 1, it's now book 4? That shows that this is another new worksheet. Okay, that's how to open that of 2007. Okay, so now let's look at some key components for Excel in general. Okay, you have the title bar, you have the ribbon, the access toolbar. So the ribbon is all of this. Okay, this long rectangular shape is the ribbon. In it you see the tabs, the home tab, insert, page, layout, formula, data, review and view. And then in the home, for example, you see groups. Okay, so now let's come to this. So this is the ribbon. This rectangular thing you're seeing here is the ribbon, and in the ribbon you see the home tab, the insert tab, the page layout, the formula, the data tab, the review tab and the view tab. And under the home tab you have the clipboard, you have the font, you have the alignment, numbers, styles, cells, editing, so on. In the insert you have the table as a group, the illustration as a group, the chart as a group, link. So that's how all of them you have groups in it. Okay, and another thing I want us to understand is in all these group you can also find other functions or commands that will be necessary for your work. Okay, for instance, if I click this arrow here in this group, you see this showing us a clipboard. Okay, I close it, I come to the font here, I click this. When I click this, are you seeing some other command is showing me? okay, or functions. Same thing here, the alignment group under the home tab. Okay, I can adjust anything. Okay, so that is that. Now let's look at the next one, which is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar, you have the save, undo, and the redo. Then we'll look at the name box. Okay, let's quickly look at it. Okay, so this is the quick access toolbar. As you can see, the quick access toolbar, you have the save, which is this, you have the undo and the redo, undo and the redo. Okay, so this other aspect is the name box. Why is it name box? It is the name box because it indicates the name of the cell you are working on. For instance, this is A and this is 1, so this A1. Come to this place, you see this is B and this is 3, so that is B3. That's why it is called the name box. Okay, now let's look at the formula bar and the active cell. Okay, the formula bar, this is the formula bar. Whatever you do in the formula bar shows, or whatever you do on the cell shows on the formula bar. Okay, so and this B3 is the active cell, this is the active cell, D4 is the active cell. Any cell you are working on is the active cell. D7 here, D and 7 here is the active cell. Okay, then let's look at the status bar and the sheet tab. Okay, this is the sheet tab, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. If I click this, is sheet 4, sheet 5. So all these things are the sheet bar, tab rather. So here is the status bar that shows you certain information on the things you are doing. Okay, you need to see the zoom also. You see the zoom, you see the page break preview, the page layout, and and so on. So this is the status bar, that is the status bar. So let's look at the scroll bars. Okay, here and here, you'll see it here, the scroll bar here and here. Okay, so that is that Microsoft Excel component for 2007 and other versions. Like I told you, the key features are the same, the components are the same, but you can have different versions, but they are the same. If you can understand these components, you understand how to make use of any version of a Microsoft Excel. I want you to like this page, I want you to subscribe to it, share the link, and if you have any problem, don't hesitate to communicate back to me. I hope to see you in the next tutorial, which is the Microsoft Excel practical. So we'll have to go deep into the practical aspect of it. Today we just delved into the the components. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorials. I hope to see you in the next tutorials. Thank you for watching.